So picking up where we left off, we flew back to Warsaw and had a day to recover. All right, everyone. Waiting for a bus so we can start trip number 2. Woo!
Tired.
It is, in fact, 4 a.m. Where are we going, guys?
To a bus, to a train, to another bus. That's a cat! No, that's not a cat.
To another train.
Yeah.
My spot on the bus had a loose seal that climbed against the window for the entire 8-hour trek. It was lovely.
Days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Welcome to Germany. Yes.
I know it looks like Poland. I swear it's not.
It's rainy. Wet. Feels like home.
Slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh,
We have secured umbrellas.
Huzzah!
Huzzah.
I mean,
Patrick, we found the pens. There he is. Hello. Oh, there are nicer pens. This is the Arch of
Covenant.
I don't know what it is, but it looks cool. For dinner, we got some Wiener Schnitzel and beer, as one does when you're in Germany. Rainy and windy. Walking to the train station. And then we're gonna try and find a beer. This mall is very impressive. Goes up and goes down, goes around.
all glass. So excited to spend another night in a station. Where's the airport now?
As long as I have water. Bye, Berlin. We're going to the bar cart.
Water cart.
Woo, train beers. This train beer is pretty good. I would give it
It is a good beer.
2 trains out of 15.
It's
How would you rate the train?
terrible. Oh my God.
Well, I've never had another one, so I'm leaving room
2 out
for
of 15. And the 15 is a good beer.
I give it 7 out of 10 trains.
Oh, there's not a lot of room for improvement.
Cheers, lads.
We are on a train, so here's a little bathroom tour. It's much more spacious than our last one, or the bus, but looks good. It is 12:50 a.m. We arrived off the train in Munich about 50 minutes ago. And now we have 6 hours to explore this city, which so far is very pretty. And we can't see any of it because it's the middle of the night. But I'll try and show you some footage of the buildings and structures. Found our bed for the night. Alright everyone, it is now 6:23. It's been a brutal night. No sleep, very cold, nowhere warm to go, nowhere good to sleep. Yeah, it's been a rough one, but soon we'll be on a train. I do want to come back to Munich, but better circumstances. Train number 2, bathroom tour. This one's even more spacious. I like it. Our train took us through the Swiss Alps and showed us just a fraction of the beauty that exists there. I filmed some of it, but also just spent some time taking it in, as well as sleeping after getting no sleep the night before. We have arrived in Venice.
The boats.
We just broke in,
Yeah.
took a bus and couldn't pay because we're incompetent Americans. But it's pretty. After walking around Venice and exploring the city by night, we got a meal which included one of the best carbonaras I've ever tasted. We stayed at a hostel on the mainland to save money. So, after a night of rest, we headed back to Venice and enjoyed a day of exploring. We are in Venice. We left last night after it was late and things were closed, but now we're here. It's very pretty. And as per usual, we have about 2 hours to get through the city. The exterior of this library was used when filming Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade, So for me, I loved seeing that. Alright folks, this episode is in fact a two-parter. So, you can join us next week for part 2.